If you've ever lost track of an important email attachment or spent way too long searching through your downloads folder, this video is going to save you a lot of frustration. Today, I'll show you exactly how to open Gmail attachments directly in Google Drive using the simplest, most updated method. Stick with me because once you learn this, your file management is going to feel effortless. Let's start by heading into your Gmail account. Log in as you normally do and open your inbox. From here, find the email that contains the attachment you want to save. This could be a PDF, an image, a document. Gmail handles them all the same way. Once you've opened the email, scroll down a bit. You'll see the attachments displayed clearly at the bottom, each with its own icon that shows what type of file it is. This makes it super easy to identify the exact file you're looking for. Now, here's a quick and powerful step that many people overlook. Right next to each attachment, you'll see a small Google Drive icon that says Add to Drive. Simply click on that. Gmail will instantly save the file straight into your Google Drive. No downloading, no extra steps, nothing to clutter your computer. It's clean and fast. There are some huge advantages to doing this. Your files are stored securely in the cloud, meaning you can access them from your phone, laptop, or tablet anytime you want. Plus, Google Drive makes it incredibly easy to organize, sort, and share files with just a few clicks. Once you've added the attachment, it's a good idea to double check the upload. Open Google Drive in a new tab and look under the Recent section or your main Drive folder. Your file should be right there waiting for you. While you're inside Google Drive, take a moment to rename your file if it has a generic title like Document 1 or Untitled Attachment. Renaming helps keep your drive clean and searchable, especially when you're managing lots of files. And before you wrap up, here are 2 quick tips. Make sure you have a stable internet connection when saving files, and keep an eye on your Google Drive storage so you never run into space issues during important uploads. And that's it. You've just learned the smartest way to open and manage Gmail attachments using Google Drive. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and useful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.